¿Para qué me mires? I don't really know how long now.
So hello guys, we are back with another video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to remain updated. Also, if you like the video, please press the like button. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and our handle is Dr. Buzz Lectures. So let's go on to the topic, which is glycogen metabolism quiz. I will suggest you to watch lecture of glycogen metabolism first. I will give this link in the description, and also you can find it on the channel playlist, where I have created playlist of biochemistry and quizzes, where you can find all lecture and quiz. Let's move on to the first question. The energy necessary to create UTP glucose. As we know that the energy molecule used in glycogen metabolism to make UTP glucose is UTP. The second question is the enzyme used in glycogen metabolism to catalyze the attachment of UTP glucose to the glycogen branch is glycogen synthase. As we know, this is very important enzyme which takes glucose part from UTP and attach it to the glycogen branch. The third question is, after several hours of the meal, dash hormone initiate glycogen metabolism. I will little bit modify this question, glycogen to glucose. In glycogen metabolism, the enzyme is glucagon. As we know that insulin is initiate glycogen production and glycogen breakdown is initiated by glucagon. So the fourth question is, insulin removes phosphate from glycogen synthase to dash it. As we know that insulin attaches with tyrosine kinase receptor present on the cell to initiate glycogen production. So tyrosine kinase will initiate protein phosphorylase, which will remove phosphate from glycogen synthase to activate it. When we will remove phosphate ion, the activation happens, and when we add, then deactivation happens. So let's move on to the MCQs. These MCQs are also part of USMLE. The description is short so we can understand in a good way. The first question is, which hormone stimulates glycogen synthesis? As we also discussed, glycogen synthesis is production of glycogen, and there is only one hormone which initiates it. Epinephrine, no. Glucagon, no, its breakdown. Insulin, yes. Insulin is the hormone which initiate and stimulate glycogen synthesis. The second question is, which feature allows accommodation of large amount of glucose molecule? It is that which is the best possible answer in which glucose can be stored in the large way. The first A option is storing glycogen in mitochondria. I don't think so. B, glycogen stored in every organ of the body. No. The C, glucose molecule are added in linear pattern. It is also added in linear pattern, but the most probable answer is it is added in both linear and branch pattern. So it is the most probable answer. Let's go to the third MCQ, which is an interesting one. There is hormone X and hormone Y. Both mediate breakdown of glycogen. Please understand, breakdown of glycogen. So hormone X cause breakdown of glycogen in liver and hormone Y in skeletal muscle. So as we know, the breakdown of glycogen can only hormone that does is glucagon and epinephrine. So the most probable answer is A or B. As we know that in liver, glucagon initiates the breakdown of glycogen, and in skeletal muscle epinephrine. So the right option will be A. The last question is, insulin stimulated glycogenesis enzyme. There is something to understand. Glycogenesis is production of glycogen, and glycogenolysis is breakdown of glycogen. Let's see the options. Debranching enzyme is not initiated by insulin because it is in glycogenolysis. Hexokinase is also not initiated. Branching enzyme is also not initiated by insulin. So only the option left is glycogen synthase, which is the only enzyme which is initiated by insulin for the glycogen metabolism. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. I will recommend you to watch its lecture first, which is also the link in the description, and I have also created a playlist for you in the channel in which we will can find all the lectures and quiz. Thank you.
But give me